Welcome back to another edition of Cooking with the Delightful Diva. I'm your host, Chef Steph, and I'm so glad that you were able to join us today. We're going to do a classic Southern meal today. We're going to do a three-part video. We're going to make macaroni and cheese, collard greens, and baked turkey wings. Now, first up on our list is going to be our baked turkey wings. So let's get started. So to get started with your turkey wings, I want you to go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Let that be getting nice and toasty while we prep our turkey wings. Now, I have already washed these turkey wings, trimmed the edges of them, and cut them at the joint. The next thing you're going to want to do is to take a fresh lemon and rub your turkey wings with the lemon. After you've put the lemon juice on your turkey wings, you then want to coat them with good olive oil. After the olive oil, you then want to season your wings, both sides, with seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Now, after your wings are all seasoned, we're going to cover these tightly with foil, pop them in the oven for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, we're then going to take them out, uncover them, and then cook them for another 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and get these in the oven. Here are our finished turkey wings. They're seasoned to perfection and have amazing flavor. These are perfect for a Sunday dinner or if you don't want to cook a whole turkey for the holidays. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and thumbs up this video. And until next time, be sure that whatever you're cooking, make it delightful.